In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change themes in ClickUp. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. We're talking about one of ClickUp's coolest personalization features, themes. A custom theme can make your workspace feel more comfortable, improve readability, and even reduce eye strain during long sessions. To get started, hover your cursor to the top right of your screen. This is where your profile area lives, and you'll either see your initials or a profile photo if you've set one. Right there, you'll find a handy drop-down menu with quick settings for your account. From that menu, scroll down until you see Themes. Select Themes to open the theme controls. This panel is the control center for the look and feel of your ClickUp, and it updates instantly so you can preview changes without leaving your work. You'll notice there are quite a lot of choices. ClickUp offers a range of color accents and modes so you can match the interface to your style or your brand. Let's sample a few so you can see the effect in real time. First, click on Indigo. You'll see the primary buttons, highlights, and focus states adopt that rich indigo accent. Next, click on Blue for a bright, classic look that keeps things crisp and familiar. Then click on Mint if you prefer a softer, fresher accent that feels light and modern. There's also an Auto option, which balances the light and dark theme for you. When Auto is on, ClickUp intelligently switches between lighter and darker appearances to keep contrast comfortable, so your workspace remains easy on the eyes throughout the day without you having to think about it. Whichever option you choose, you can always revisit themes to fine-tune your preference later. A thoughtfully chosen theme can make navigation clearer and help key elements stand out, which is especially helpful when you're moving quickly between tasks and views. That's a pretty theme, and it really elevates the overall experience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider giving this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorials on getting more from ClickUp. Your support helps us keep creating clear, practical guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and ciao.